I mean, we Jews, we love our Chinese food. We eat it on Christmas Day, we eat it on Sunday nights, we even eat it on Yom Kippur. And have you noticed when you go to a Chinese restaurant, after you're eating your fried rice and your noodles, you look down and there's like a zodiac. Maybe you're the year of the rat, the year of the dragon. Well, a good friend of mine, you'll meet him in a second, his name is Seth Front. He said, wait a second, if there's a Chinese zodiac, what about a Jewish zodiac? And guess what? Seth has created the Jewish zodiac, and I am here today with Seth Front to introduce you to one of the funniest, stickiest product lines, I guess you could say, has ever been invented in the world of Jewish humor. It is called the Jewish Zodiac. I am so glad to introduce you to, I don't know, entrepreneur Seth Front. He has had a ball with the Jewish Zodiac. Seth, glad to have you.
Nice to meet you.
So what was your inspiration behind the Jewish Zodiac?
Well, I was at a Chinese restaurant, and Jews love Chinese food. I said to myself, but why isn't there a Jewish zodiac?
Why not?
But what would it be? It wouldn't be Year of the Dragon or Year of the Ox. It would be Year of the Bagel and Year of the Lox.
And it rhymes.
Exactly. And I'm a comedy writer, so I said, well, what would bagel be? And I thought about it, and I said, well, you're pliable and always bounce back, although you feel something's missing in your center. If this persists, get some therapy. Compatible with schmear and lox. And the whole line took off from there.
I see down here, I am the year of the Knish. What does that signify?
Well, you're flaky on the surface,
Very true.
although you're actually a person of depth and substance.
That's what my wife says sometimes.
Consider medical or law school, but don't get too wrapped up in yourself.
You know, I used to be a lawyer, so it makes
Well,
sense.
how did I come up with this?
Yeah.
How did I come up with the years? I always tell people, God spoke to me at a Chinese restaurant. He spoke
Of
to
course.
Moses on Mount Sinai, but me at a Chinese restaurant.
That's where I get my divine inspiration.
Exactly.
Okay, year of the pickle. I mean, this is good stuff. Year of the pickle.
2009 is Year of the Pickle.
This year.
You're the
when this
perfect
is-
sidekick. Friends love your salty wit and snappy
Okay.
banter, although you never overshadow them. That shows genuine seasoning from when you were a cucumber.
So, Seth, I want to go over some, I guess you could say, famous Jews and see where they fall in the Jewish zodiac. It's amazing. A bunch clump up right in the year of the Lox. Why don't you give us some names who are Lox-like?
Well, I think a lot of comedians are. Adam Sandler, Jerry Seinfeld, and I think actually Barbara Streisand is the Year of the Lox.
And you know who else is year of the Lox? Joe Lieberman, senator from Connecticut. I checked that out. Born the same year as Barbara Streisand. Now, what about Tanta Ruth Bader Ginsburg from the U.S. Supreme Court?
I have no idea.
Well,
Tell me, Brad.
I found out. I checked.
You've
She
done the
was
re-
born. She was born in 1933. She's chopped liver.
She's chopped liver. Well,
She's not chopped liver.
people either love her or hate her.
She's not chopped.
She's chopped liver,
Yeah, come on, Tanta Ruth. She's the best.
When you're a decision maker like that, people either love you or hate you, making you wonder, what am I? Chopped liver?
I know. Okay, last but not least, Sarah Jessica Parker. One of America's Jewish sweetheart, although she's only half Jewish. I don't know if you knew that. But
I did not.
Yeah, she's only half Jewish. We're born the same year, so that means she is year of
Knish. She's the Knish. Flaky on the surface, but a person of depth and substance.
Okay, depth and substance. I like
Okay.
that. Quite talented. Okay, Seth, I've had a lot of fun talking about the Jewish Zodiac. Of course, what would the Jewish Zodiac be without paraphernalia? I mean, come on.
Exactly.
You're the pickle.
We have T-shirts. And Brad, I did not start off to turn this into a business.
Sure you
This
didn't.
was just a joke,
Your
and
grandfather would be very proud. Your
He
Bobby
would be. He
very
would be.
proud.
But we do have T-shirts, men's, women's, and kids' T-shirts.
What else you got?
We also have the placemats, laminated placemats for the home.
Some more
And
T-shirts.
we have some coffee cups, which
coffee
are wonderful.
cups. You got some.
And we
what
have
is
some
this?
kitchen magnets.
You got some kitchen magnets. I gotta tell you, this is a lot of fun. When I found out about your company, I said, I gotta meet this guy, Seth. He really is having a lot of fun with Jewish humor. Seth, thanks for joining us. I've had so much fun here at Brent's Delicatessen in Westlake Village, just north of Los Angeles. Now, if you want to find your Jewish Zodiac sign, just go to Seth's website. It's www.jewzo.com. It's right there on your screen. For Seth Front, my name is Brad Pomerantz. Thanks for joining us on Jewish Life Television.